Greetings and welcome to History 2. As we get started in the course, I just wanted to walk us through a few of the important button clicks. My screen might look a little bit different than your screen, but in general, most of the buttons should be about the same. When you log into this course, you should pop up with announcements first. Okay, from there, you just really want to be familiar with these buttons right here. So staff information, this is going to include my email and my phone number that you can reach me pretty quickly. Course information includes important documents like the syllabus, the weekly schedule, and the discussion board. I am picky, as you can see from the title, and I think the discussion board is where the magic happens. So please pay careful attention so you get full points every week. The next button would be the assignments, and I have this divided up between each week. So basically right here, any exam that we have has a study guide. It's a pretty generic study guide. It basically gives you the topics. We're going to have some projects in this class, and here's some resources. They almost feel like cheats in here for those of you who aren't sure what to do, so check that out early. Week 1 is actually where we're going to start. So when I click in week 1, I see that I have a couple of assignments. I have to email a screenshot to the professor. I need to claim a topic for a project, and then I can watch this video. So those are my assignments for the week. Now, if you look at the course syllabus and the weekly schedule, it also tells you that you have some discussion board, and we'll get to that in a second. Course documents, if you need the chapter notes, there's another place where I put the study guides. If you just love the Crash Course U.S. History videos, here's the whole series. I like this particular website because I do not like to watch videos. So this offers the transcript, whereas the video links that I give you in the assignments, they don't do that. If you sometimes accidentally plagiarize, then here's a great way for you to check for plagiarism. Okay, next we're going to go to discussion board. We do this every week. Week 1 introductions, here's where we're going to start. What you'll notice about almost all of my discussion boards is I offer you about twice as many topics as you need. You only need 4 posts for this weekly assignment every chapter, and I give you 8 to 10 things to choose from. So do you have to post in all of them? Nope. Can you? Sure, you can always post more than what is minimally required. External links is just a place where if I find a really great resource, I'm going to post it here. I don't know that everybody always has time to get to this, but they are there for you. You might even save them for later, back in a couple years when you have time to look through them. And then tools, there are some extra tools, like this is where I usually go if I want to email a student. Lots of different things. Some of these I never check. So good luck. Enjoy. There are a lot of options for you. Dig in this first week.